get to watch this run today. Should run 10s. So he's predicting maybe a 10.8 this morning. And we'll see what happens while the track is still prepped. We're at Cecil County, and it's a private event, so they don't prep the track all day. So he's trying to, they're going to let the single-digit cars run first. That's what's going on. And then everybody else will get to run them. So we're going to see what he can pull off here today. Best it's ever ran, it was a 10.6 last year. Well, not the best, but it ended with a 10.6 last year. So we'll see what we get today with her. It's 11:05. That track is so slick. She's fast, boy. She's fast. All right, buddy. How was the first run?
Do better next time.
Well, that track is slick, man. I'm seeing everybody coming off. Actually, you came off fairly decent compared to everybody else.
Well, this has a 4-speed automatic.
Right.
See this little note right there? I can slam first and second, but I gotta hold this lever in for second or third. If I don't, she goes right into fourth.
Oh, wow.
I think I did it right, but somehow it felt like it went into third. Then it backed up, got better. Then it was for the finish line, I found a drop into third. It's kind of funky.
Wow.
So I think the next one will be better.
Oh, yeah. It ran fast. I think the big thing.
11:05 and 124.
Yeah. 11:05, 124. Nice.
It's done a lot better. But
Oh, yeah. But I tell you, that track is slick. We're seeing everybody smoking them and spinning, wheel hopping it.
yeah, my launch it did something weird too.
Yeah. I heard that.
And that
So.
might be it. Like I said, there's no guarantees on that first one.
Right. Exactly. But I tell you, overall, this mother was picking them up and putting them down, buddy.
Yeah, it was going good.
It was going good. You can do better, I'm sure, on that
I'll
one.
be right
It's
back.
just the front. The
Just
front part.
doing a visual after the first pass.
Right.
Check to make sure everything's together, nothing's leaking. The way the car launches, like you'll see, there's no back of the car to it. There's no trunk hanging out. There's no weight back there past the tires. So we built a tri-power tunnel ramp, and I'm using the vacuum secondaries. A lot of guys convert to mechanical linkage, but I'm using vacuum secondary, so the car will launch just on the center carburetor only, and maybe half a car length, and then the vacuum just pulls the secondaries in, and it takes off. So I believe that's helping. I'll tell you what, this car never spins a tire.
Yeah.
Never does.
It did something weird, like you said, but you didn't spin,
Well,
so that was good.
I'm not sure. The next pass, I'll know a lot more.
Yeah.
We'll see. It was the first pass.
No, that was a great
Last
first
year,
pass.
you know.
Right. That was a great first pass.
So it's a, so what you're looking at is a 498 big block Chevy. Stroker, Eagle Stroker kit, Minotti cam, mechanical drawing. It does go.
It does go.
It does go.
All right.
It's looking good.
No leaks, no nothing.
I think we're going to get back in line again.
We're good to go. All right.
Yeah, I'm not doing it again.
Sweet. I know he's happy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I told myself, just push for a squeeze second and forget about it.
Yes. Oh, it took. I knew you were gonna blaze that one. Yeah, that was right on the money.
That was the better roll.
Yeah.
He got out of the hole good that time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're leaving better than most up there. They're having a hard time with that upper end on that side too.
I like this lane.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that's the difference or not.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
So it's a 60 foot. Let's see.
This side here.
Yep.
Left side.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. This is where the car has been.
Okay.
Nice.
No, I was messing up with the shift.
Hey, it's only the third passage here, right? Since last year.
Yeah. That's
So
it.
yep, and you're back.
I'm getting reacclimated.
Right.
Well, I'm sure it takes a while to get used to the track.
Look at that. All right, so sadly, this is where this day takes a terrible, tragic turn. My buddy was having issues with his car. Three of us drove down in our personal old cars. My buddy had a 65 Chevy 2. I had the 49 truck, and my other buddy had a 55 Ford truck. So my buddy was having issues with his car, so we decided to jump in my 49, drive home, grab a trailer and my other truck, and come back and just trailer his car home so we can work on it another day. Unfortunately, we were front and center of this tragic motorcycle accident with a fatality, and we were sitting on the bridge with this scene right in front of us for 3 hours while they did their investigation and cleanup. So rest in peace, Joe. And yeah, it was a rough day. Right lane 99.
This car won't be really fast.
Sound like this lane is slipping a good bit. Yeah, might not be able to pull it off on this track. So the orange one pushed through the light.